All right, here's a short video on how to use Google Drive. So an easy way to get to it is just to sign into your Gmail account. So go to gmail.com, and when you get to this account's login page, you are going to type in your Gmail address and your password. From here, you're going to see what emails you have, but what I want you to focus on is the toolbar up here at the top. What you're going to see, you have search, images, maps, play, YouTube, news, or Gmail, and then you have this button that says Drive. I want you to click on Drive. Now you are in Google Drive, or what is also called Google Docs. From here, you can use this to create presentations, documents, Excel sheets. So what you want to do is go to Create right here. You're going to look down. I can create document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, or even a drawing. So for this, I am going to go to create a presentation. Presentation is synonymous with PowerPoint, or if you use a Mac, it would be Keynote you would have on your Mac. So click on presentation. Now I've started a new presentation. I can decide what theme I want it to be, whether I want it to just be dark, light. You can choose whichever one you like. I'm going to choose Inspiration Board because I like this one the best, and I click on OK. Now it works just like PowerPoint or Keynote works. So this is my title slide, so I can change what I want it to say. So let's say how to use Google Drive is going to be the name of this presentation, and then I can add a subtitle. I can always add more slides to it, so I would do that by clicking the plus button up here, and I can decide whether I want it to be a title slide, title and body, title and 2 columns. Again, very similar to PowerPoint or Keynote. So I'll just click title and body, and again I can decide whatever I want this to say. So this presentation is just going to be about using Google Drive, and I could type in down here any of the other instructions. I can add images just like I would on PowerPoint. To do that, I would go up to Insert, I would click on Image, and then from here I can either upload an image from my own document. So if I did that, I would either drag an image in or click on the Choose an Image to upload. But another fun thing to do too is that you can actually insert an image by URL. If you choose to do this, you're going to find an image online and whatever its unique address is, and you would copy and paste it into this bar. So I'm going to take you out of the screen, and I'm just going to go to Google. So if I go to Google right here, and I just want to run a basic search. So let's say I want to run a search on Google Drive, and I'm going to see what comes up in the web search. This right now is a web search, but actually I want an image. So I'm going to click on Images, and here I see all these different images for Google Drive. So if I want to put one of these in my presentation, so I would just click on it here, go to View Original Image, and I want to use this image, so I am going to copy the location of where this is online. So to do that, I can either right click and go to copy, but instead what I want to use is my shortcut keys. So I'm going to use Control C. Now I'm going to go back to that presentation because I have the image URL. I hit Control and then the V, and look at there, it comes right up from the web, and I hit Select. So we have to take it a moment, and then there you go. So I was able to insert an image directly from a URL, so it's very handy. So this is the basics of using Google Drive. It's extremely easy to use. I have titled the presentation How to Use Google Drive, but if you notice up here it says Untitled Presentation. So I need to actually change what I want it to save as. So I'm going to click up here and I'm going to change it from Untitled to How to Use Google Drive and hit OK. So now it has a title. Well, the nice thing about Google Drive is the fact that I can share this document with anybody in the world. That's what makes this so much different than creating a document in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Now to do this, I have to give it sharing settings. So you see this button in the upper right hand column where it says Share, and all I would do is click on, right now it says Private. So it's private, it's not open to the world. I want to change that. I click on Change, and I want to say anyone with a link, and then I hit Save. Now, if I go up here, you're going to see the web address bar. This is the link to this document. So anybody I give this link to is going to be able to access this document. So I can put this link into, let's say, my Weebly website, and people will be able to go directly to this and see it. So let's see how that would work. I'm going to go ahead and go to Weebly, and I'm going to log into my Weebly account. And I'm going to go ahead and edit the email, or edit the website. So I click on edit. And here I'm in the design part of my Weebly site. So let's say I'm just going to go to this nutrition movie ad section. Now I need to pull an element in here. So I can pull the text box in, and I can I can paste the URL of my Google Docs. So I would go up here, I'm going to copy the URL of the document, go back to Weebly and paste it in, and now people actually have, oops, it pasted twice, let me fix that. So now people have the actual web address in order to go to my presentation. So they can either copy and paste that into their address bar, but what I want to do is make it a link. So to do that, what I need to do is highlight it, and I need to set a hyperlink. This chain looking thing right here, anywhere you see this, this is the button that creates a link. So I click on that, and then I can link it to a website URL, which is what I want to do. And I actually want it to open in a new window, so I'm going to click that, and then I hit save. Now this is an actual web link to where people will be able to click on it and go directly to this presentation that I've been developing in Google Drive. So it's really, really cool. The other awesome thing about using Google Drive is the fact that I can collaborate with people. So let's say there's somebody I want to work on this with. Well, I need to give them permission. So what I would do is go to share again, and I would type their address in right here, and I would click share and save, and then this same document will show up in their document library on Google Docs, and they will be able to type in and collaborate on this same document. So it's really great for working in groups.